Hello Lynette, how you doing? My name's Steve. I'm one of the internet sales managers here at Nissan of Tustin. Just want to take a moment to send you a quick video of this 2016 BMW 3 Series you had inquired about. It's in really good condition. I believe it's got just about 44,000 miles on it. There's the wheels. Nice tint on the windows already. You got a moonroof up there. No major scratches or anything like that, which is good. Bumper, no scratches, good. The side, and here's how it looks from the inside. You got the BMW premium leather seats, the big screen display there. A lot of the BMW premium features are included in this vehicle. It looks like it was really well taken care of. I just wanted to send you a quick video to show you how the car looks from the inside and out, and hopefully we'll see you at the store here soon to come take a look at it. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.